What's up, everybody? So I just got something delivered to the radio station that I work at. Something I got at D23 that was too big to put in a suitcase. It's not like huge, but it was definitely too big to put in a suitcase. And the carry-on that I had was already full with all the Roosevelt shirts and other things that I bought. Before I unbox it, it's a radio station I work at since I was 16 years old. I started interning here. I love it. Quick little tour of my office. That guitar right up here is signed by the band Weezer. Got a bunch of Disney stuff too, like this Walt Disney Studios lamp. Got a bunch of other little tchotchkes. This is really awesome. This is not Disney related. Metallica poster of a show I went to. Signed surfboard by the band Sublime. Bunch of record plaques that bands have sent me throughout here as well. But I'm not here to talk about the radio station. I want to do an unboxing. This is pretty rad. So this is what I got from D23. This is one of the things that I wanted the most. It was at the Marketplace store, which was total chaos. And I was able to snag one and have it mailed to the radio station. It's Jose. Apparently I haven't really watched any videos for it yet, but I know it lights up. I know it does a little tune from the attraction, and it's an animatronic, so it moves around. So let's check it out. Let's unbox this thing, see what it does. All right, let's unbox this bad boy, see what it looks like. I'm super stoked. I'm so glad I was able to get one of these. Instructions. Who needs instructions? Come on. Look at this D23 shirt, by the way. I'm very excited. I'm recording a podcast tonight with some other fun people of the Diz Twitter community, and we're going to talk about everything that was announced at D23 on Saturday. That's why I'm wearing this shirt, because I wanted to wear something from D23. All right. Oh my God. Look at this. That is awesome. It's kind of heavy a little bit. That is so sick. Look at him. He's so cute. Some plastic in there. I'm gonna have to take that off. But look at that. At the bottom, it says Enchanted Tiki Room, of course. Pretty rad, man. Look at this. It's themed all the way around. I love the Enchanted Tiki Room. It's one of my favorite attractions. Try to do it every time I'm in Disney World. And I just posted about it the other day. I had never done the one in Disneyland, which is insane. The amount of times I've been to Disneyland and I never did it. Got a Dole Whip, got to go watch the show, which is why I was super excited to get this at D23. So I think I might have to charge it and put some batteries in. So let me do that. We'll come back and see what this thing does when you turn it on. All right, so the batteries are in. Jose here. There is a on switch in the back. Oh, look at him. That's awesome. And then there's this button here that we're gonna press to make him do some stuff, I guess. So let's go ahead and see what it does. That's awesome.
Welcome to a tropical hideaway. You lucky people, you. If we were a physical starting right away, we see.
Oh, I love this.
All together in the tiki room, in the tiki room. All the birds sing the word and the flowers grow in the tiki room.
That is amazing. Can you hear all the cool little sounds he's making? That is freaking awesome. I think that was like, what, maybe 45 seconds or so of him singing the Tiki Room song and kind of moving around a little bit. And then the thunderstorm, like just in the attraction at the end, that was awesome. Okay, so I guess that's all it does. It just does that over and over. Can I press it again to make it stop? Nope. So I guess we're gonna get a whole nother show. Kind of show you some different sides of it. It's really cool, like all the plants on the side and everything. The thatched roof, and I guess you can hang it from somewhere if you want to hang it up too. It's pretty awesome. Backside of Jose. This is the greatest and best thing I ever bought. So it was $249 at the Marketplace booth, and then I know they had some in Disney World. I don't remember where they were selling them. I think they maybe had them in Epcot or somewhere. It would have made sense to have them in Adventureland somewhere in Magic Kingdom. And I think they may have had some in Disneyland as well. I think they were already sold out, but if you see this, 10 out of 10 would recommend. This is a great little collectible if you're a Disney Parks fan. This is awesome. I love it.